Good day, everyone. Time now for Weather News Today with J7409. The name you know, the news you can use. So let's get going with it this morning, bright and early. We've got it set on the GFS map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. We'll turn her on, let her roll, and folks, yes, the northeaster will spread snow from the northern mid-Atlantic and northeast today. A low will bring rain and mountain snow to the western sections of the U.S. by tomorrow, and a surface low pressure, an associated frontal system, is quickly transitioning into a nor'easter, and it's going to spread snow to much of the northern mid-Atlantic and northeast today through the end of the week. Now, numerous winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories are in effect across portions of the northern mid-Atlantic and the northeast. The storm is expected to track offshore the Delmarva Peninsula northward while paralleling to the northeast coast. Now, by Thursday evening, snow accumulations could easily surpass 1 foot for areas west of the I-95 corridor. The major cities will be on the gradient in between the substantial snowfall totals and light snowfall totals. It's kind of hard to say right now. So there is uncertainty in how much snow will fall in areas such as New York City. Now, also, it could linger a little longer, but hopefully we're going to get a big high pressure that's going to come push it on off. Now, the snow will persist over the Great Lakes region also over the next couple of days as a low pressure hangs around, with an additional 6 to 8 inches possible for the southeast. Showers and thunderstorms are expected for portions of central and southern Florida today as the cold front pushes south. Now, across the west, conditions will generally be dry through this afternoon before a low approaches the coast. Rain and mountain snow will spread into northern California and the Pacific Northwest this evening and into the northern Rockies tomorrow. Rain and snow totals will be fairly light for this system on Thursday. The storm warnings are up, along with coastal flood warnings, and many other things going on. This is for the Cherry Hill, New Jersey area, and it covers many areas. A dangerous nor'easter producing heavy wet snow will have high impact and potential for numerous power outages and some tree damage from eastern Pennsylvania into northern and western New Jersey. A compact but powerful nor'easter will skirt the New Jersey coast this afternoon before heading toward Cape Cod this evening. It will produce periods of heavy precipitation. All locations along and west of the Interstate 95 corridor are vulnerable to heavy snow, with the greatest uncertainty within 20 miles east of Interstate 95. Otherwise, there is very high confidence that this storm will make travel difficult or nearly impossible at times late this morning and this afternoon across much of eastern Pennsylvania and northern New Jersey, basically from near Philadelphia west and north to the New York state border and beyond. High snow accumulations will be in the hilly areas, and so you are asked to, if you've got any travel, unnecessary travel is not recommended today. Thereafter, communities will need tonight and Thursday morning to dig out. Caution is advised for those with heart problems, as overexertion removing wet snow could prompt a heart attack. Now, areas going on. Here we go. Newcastle, Cecil, Western, Mammoth, Salem, Gloucester, Camden, Northwestern, Burlington, including the cities of Wilmington, Elkton, Freehold, Pennsville, Glassboro, Camden, Cherry Hill, Morristown, and Mount Holly. Winter storm warning in effect until 3 a.m. Thursday morning. Heavy snow, additional snow accumulations of 3 to 6 inches with localized amounts up to 8 inches are expected in some places. And where is all this happening? Again, portions of central and southern New Jersey, northeast Maryland, and northern Delaware. And when? Until 3 a.m. Thursday. Okay, now additional details: plan on difficult travel, including the morning commutes. Be prepared for significant reductions in visibility. So, keep that in mind for that area. My, how things can change overnight. When I put up the evening edition for this area, the Cherry Hill, New Jersey area and the surrounding areas last night, you guys had a lot more sleet down here than you do for today. It is looking like mostly snow, with a little bit of mix from around 6 a.m. this morning till 8 a.m. Mostly snow though, and your sleet should be from around 5:30, 6 o'clock this morning till around 8:30, 9 o'clock this morning. Other than that, it's snow, 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 snow. So do expect a good amount to accumulate. I do not want to forget my friends down south around in Florida. This is for the St. Lucie area. You guys are going to have a little bit of a cool up, no big deal. It's not going to be cold, but you have been having 80s. Well, that's going to change, okay? Today, you're going to be in the lower 70s, and you do have a chance of some rain. Very good chance of rain coming up between 7 a.m. this morning and around 9 this morning. You still have that chance of rain to linger on till around lunchtime. And you have a slight chance of maybe a thunderstorm. Your winds are going to be pretty normal, in the teens, maybe a gust of 21 now and then this morning. But your greatest chance of precipitation is from around 7 until around 9 or 10 this morning. That's at about a 60% chance. So, your temperatures today, your high should be in the lower 70s actually. You may get to the mid 70s, but the lower 70s. And your nighttime lows coming up for tomorrow morning. In the early morning hours, around 7 a.m., your air temp's going to be 46, and with the wind, it's going to feel like it's 41. And tomorrow, around, well, tomorrow's high should be in the upper 60s. So that's a little cool up for you guys. And you do have a chance of rain coming your way for today. And for you guys in New York and surrounding areas, here's the counties: Hudson, Southern, Westchester, New York, Manhattan, Bronx areas. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. Heavy snow totals accumulating to 7 to 11 inches are expected, with locally higher amounts possible. Where? In New Jersey, Hudson County, and New York, Southern Westchester, New York, Manhattan, and Bronx counties. It should last until 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. You've got all day, all night, early morning hours tomorrow. Now, the travel's going to stink, folks, for you, okay? The visibility is going to be poor. Make sure your flashlights and all of your things are prepared, because you do have a great chance of losing power. And for my friends up in the Massachusetts area, here's all your towns. You're under a flood watch from 11 a.m. this morning through tomorrow afternoon. The flood watch includes Rhode Island and southeast Massachusetts from 11 a.m. this morning through Thursday afternoon. Now, the rain's expected to overspread the region, becoming heavy at times this afternoon into the evening before diminishing in intensity. While the rain may change to a brief period of snow for a time during late afternoon hours and early evening hours, especially in the hills of northwest Rhode Island, the majority of what falls is expected to be rain. Now, a quick 1 to 2 inches of rain is anticipated across the region this afternoon and evening, and the bulk of this rain will fall within a 6-hour period and may result in some renewed river and stream flooding. There may also be some urban and poor drainage street flooding this Thanksgiving. The heaviest rain will coincide with the evening rush hour. Much of eastern Massachusetts is under a wind advisory also. That's right. Much of eastern Massachusetts. The wind should be out of the northeast around 15 to 25, with gusts up to 50. When should this happen? Well, the strongest wind should be this afternoon and evening. Now, winds this strong are capable of downing small tree limbs and branches, possibly causing isolated power outages, and it can make driving real difficult, okay? So keep this in mind. The wind advisory means you are expected to get winds of 31 to 39 miles per hour sustained, with gusts between 46 and 57 miles per hour. Please be careful. I know a lot of you guys are still without power all all around up north, not just this one area, but please keep this in mind. Possible power outages and high winds for this area. Wrapping it up right quickly this morning for the Boston area. You can see it's going to be really chilly. You're going to be in the 30s today for your daytime highs, and it looks like you're going to remain in the 30s for the most part right on through your evening hours also. Your winds will pick up though. You can see your sustained winds right here picking up to as high as around 46 around 9 p.m. tonight. As we move on down, you could have higher gusts also. You do have that mixture of rain and snow. You're going to get a small accumulation of snow. You're going to have heavy rain, especially this afternoon, as I was just telling you. Please be aware of this, okay? With that all said and done, thank you for subscribing. If you would like to have more weather forecasts every day and weather alerts as they come in, please click the J7409 down in the bottom corner. Click the bell, and that way you will get them as soon as I put them out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the upvotes and the comments and everything you do for me. I love you guys so much. Please stay safe, everyone. With that all said, I'm wishing everyone a very safe, blessed day, and much peace, love, and kindness to each of you.